Hello students, once again welcome to this class. In the previous class we discussed about the sector of a circle and some terms related to it, and we solved some unsolved problems on this sector of a circle. So now we will proceed forward, and the new term which is frequently used in terms of circle is segment of a circle, and this is also an important topic, and many questions you can see in your examination, whether it is related to your board exam or any other kind of competitive exams, or whether it is related to your NEET, IIT, JEE and other. Okay, so let us discuss about the segment of a circle. So the today's topic is segment of a circle. So let us understand it. What is a segment of a circle? So let's say this is a circle with center O and radius R. Okay. Let AB is a chord AB. This AB is a chord. Then the area enclosed between minor sector and major sector covers the entire area of the circle. Now in this case, the area which I am setting here, the shaded area, this one. This shaded area so this is the segment of the circle. This is the segment of the circle. This whole area is the sector of the circle. This is minor sector, and you know that this is major sector. In case of sector of a circle, we studied that. Now in this case, this is the minor segment of the circle. Minor segment of the circle, this one. And if you see the other parts, this segment, so obviously it is a major segment. Okay, so this is the segment of a circle. So now if we talk about the area of the segment of a circle, then what it would be, how we can compute it, or how we can calculate it. See, now we have known this sector. If suppose if this chord AB forms an angle theta at the center, okay, so this is a sector, this is a sector, so we can find out the area of the sector. So area of sector means what? This complete area, this complete area. Okay, but we need area of only this segment, this shaded part only. This is the segment, we want area of this segment. Okay, now see here, this is a triangle. So if anyhow we can compute the, we can calculate the area of this triangle, and if we subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector, then we will get the area of the segment. So this is what we have to understand in this concept, segment of a circle. So I hope that you have understood the concept of segment of a circle. So let us start with some problem. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of makes an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Also find the area of the major segment of the circle. Also find the area of the major segment of the circle of the circle. So now we have given this question. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Also find the area of the major segment of the circle. So let us visualize this problem. So this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. Let AB is a chord. Chord is a line segment joining any two points on the circumference of the circle. So AB is a chord. This chord AB forms an angle 60 degree at the center of the circle. Okay. Then we have to find the area of the minor segment of the circle and the area of the major segment of the circle. So the area of the minor segment plus the area of the major segment will be equal to the area of the circle. So once we get the area of the minor segment of the circle, so we can find out the area of the major segment of the circle by subtracting area of the minor segment of the circle from the area of the circle. Okay, so this is what we have to do in this problem. So now this is r is given, this is 14 centimeter, this is also 14 centimeter. So now see, in a triangle the sides are, two sides are equal, and therefore their opposite angles are equal. So opposite angle to this side is this one, and this side is this one, so this will be equal to, since this alone is 60 degree and these two are equal to, so this will be 60 plus 60, and therefore the sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. So now you can see that this is 14, this is 14, this also will be 14, since now it becomes an equilateral triangle because all the angles are in a triangle equal, so their sides will be equal to. This is the property of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so now first of all we have to find this area, we have to find out this area. Okay, because this is the minor sector of minor segment of the circle. Okay, so if we find the area of this sector and we find the area of this triangle, and if we subtract the area of this triangle from the area of the sector, then we will find this area. Okay, so area of sector, let's say this is O, AOB, this will be theta by 360. So here theta is 60, 60 by 3 into pi r square. R is, okay, let us write down one sheet. Then 60 by 360 into pi r square. Okay, here it is not mentioned what we have to use pi. So 6 is 36. This is 1 by 6 into pi, we can use 22 by 7. R square, R is 14 centimeter. So R will square will be 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14. Okay, 2 3 ja 16. So now we have 22 into 14 by 3. Okay, so this will be 14 2 ja 28, 14 2 ja 28 and 2 30 by 3. Okay, so now this will becomes 3 1 ja 3, 0 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18. So 102.06 square centimeter. So this is the area of the minor segment, and therefore area of no, this is only the area of this sector. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. So in order to know the area of the triangle, we should know the height of the triangle and the base. Since base we know this is 14 centimeter, and if we draw a perpendicular on this opposite side, then this segment will be equal and this will be perpendicular. So we need this one. So this will be this will be, or this angle, this will be perpendicular, and this is known hypotenuse. So let's say this is h. Okay, so sine 60 will be, this h upon 14, and sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. So this is h by 14, and therefore this implies h equal to 14 under root 3 by 2. 2 7 ja 14. So 7 under root 3 centimeter. So now we know h is 7 under root 3 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle AOB, this will be 1 by 2 base is AB into height h. So 1 by 2 AB is 14, and h is 7 under root 3. Okay, so 2 7 ja 14, and 7 into 7 into under root 3 will be 1.732. So multiply this. Okay, into 7. So I multiplied with this 7. So now we have to multiply with this. Okay, so you please multiply this, and then finally the area of the segment will be area of sector AOB minus area of triangle. So using this relation, you can find out the area of the minor segment. This is for minor segment. Okay, since there is no place, and since this is only simple multiplication and subtraction, so I am leaving for you as a exercise. And therefore area of major segment, this will be area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now we have given this problem, and there is no information about angle subtended at the center, and there is no information about the radius. Okay, so a card 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius, okay, radius is given. Card length is also given. Find area of both the segments. So let us understand this problem. Okay, so this is radius, so this will be equal, and therefore this angle and this angle will be equal. This length is given 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Okay, and radius is also given. Radius is 5 under root 2 centimeter. This is 5 under root 2 centimeter. Okay, and the card length is 10 centimeter. Then we have to find the area of both the segment. We have to find the area of both the segment. So since these two sides are equal, then the perpendicular drawn to the opposite side will make it into two equal halves. Okay, so this and this segment will be equal. This is 90 degree since we have drawn perpendicular on the opposite side. So now let this theta is this angle is theta. This is AB is a chord, O is a center of the circle. So we have to find this area, this minor segment, area of the minor segment, and then the major segment. So area of the major segment will be area of minor segment minus area of the circle minus area of the minor segment will be area of the major segment. Okay, so let's say, okay, see this is 10 centimeter and these two segments are equal, so this will be 5 from here to here. This will be 5. Let's say this is H. Okay, so this will be 5. So now we know this. So this is relation. This can be used as a cos trigonometric function here in order to relate these two sides, base and hypotenuse. So according to figure, sin theta, no, not sin theta, cos theta equal to base upon perpendicular 5 upon 5 under root 2. This is 1 upon under root 2, and this is for cos 45. So now cos theta equal to cos alpha, this implies theta equal to alpha, so theta equal to 45 degree. So now we know this 45 degree, and therefore this will be 45. Since these two sides are equal, so their opposite angles will be equal, so this will be theta. So this is 45, this is 45, and in a triangle the total sum of the angle is 90 degree, 180 degree. So 45 plus 45 is 90 degree, therefore the remaining this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so now we know everything. Okay, let us find this height in order to compute the area of the triangle. So we can use sin theta again. Again sine, now theta is known, sine 45 degree. This is sine 45 is h upon 5 under root 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Okay. So under root 2 h 5 under root 2, and therefore h will be 5 under root 2 upon under root 2. So h will be 5 centimeter. So now we found h equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. So now everything is known. Now we can compute the area of the minor sector, and then we can find the area of the major segment. Therefore, area of minor segment equal to area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. Area of sector AOB. Sector. This area. So this is 90 by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 base. Base is 10 centimeter and height we find 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is 1 by 4 pi r square minus 1 by 2 into 10 50. 10 5 is 50. Okay. So here 1 by 4 pi is 22 by 7 and r is 5 under root 2 pi square minus 1 by 2 into 50. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 4 minus 50 by 2 or 50 by 2 means 25. Okay. So 4 will be cancelled out here. 25 to the 50 and 25 to the 50 and 5 55. Okay. By 7 minus 25. This will be 7 7 the 49. 49. 7 8 the 56. 7 5 the 35. Okay. So you can do further, and this is 25. Let us restrict till here, or if you wish you can use up to 2 or 3 decimal places. So now 5 3 7 minus 2 5 square centimeter. So this is the area of the minor segment. Therefore area of the major segment will be area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. So your area of circle will be pi r square minus, you have find out this area of the minor segment. So now use the value of pi and r square and then simplify it. You will find the area of the. So now here it was asked that find area of both the segments. So we have computed that. Write down quickly. Now every question is looks similar. Question number 6 and 7. Question number 6 and 7. This is also similar, very similar. Let me do question number 7. You try 6 and if you fail, please ask me. Okay. A chord of a circle subtends an angle of theta at the center of a circle. The area of minor segment cut off by the chord AB by the chord is 1/8 of the area of the circle. Then we have to prove that prove that 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus pi equal to pi theta by 45. Now in this problem, a chord of a circle subtends an angle theta at the center of the circle and the area of minor segment cut off by the chord is 1/8 of the area of the circle. So the area of the minor segment here is 1 by 8th of the area of the circle. Okay, so let us understand this problem. So let this is a circle with center O. This is a chord AB, AB that subtends an angle theta at the center O. Okay, then we have to prove this, and for proving this we have given a relation. The area of minor segment is 1/8 of the area of the circle. So we have to find the area of the minor segment, that will be equal to the 1/8 of the area of the circle. So we will find that relation later. Let us first compute the area of the segment. So we have to find out this area. So similar to many other previous cases, since this is equal, so this area, this angle will be equal. Okay. So now in the triangle alpha plus theta, this is 180 degree. Okay. Yes, and then 2 alpha plus theta equal to 180 degree, or 2 alpha equal to 180 degree minus theta, or alpha equal to 180 degree minus theta by 2. So alpha will be 90 minus theta by 2. So now we know this angle alpha equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Okay. Why I am computing this alpha? Because we want to find this height. Okay. Let's say this is R. The radius is R. So this will be R. So now for the area of the triangle we need this base and height. Okay. So this R we have let here. So this will be this height h. Let's say this is h. So this height will be perpendicular for this angle alpha. Okay, and this will be hypotenuse. So you can use sine alpha. Sine alpha will be h by r, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so this implies h equal to r sine alpha. R sine alpha, and this alpha is r sine alpha is 90 minus theta by 2. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this will be r cos theta by 2. Okay. Now we find this height. So you have to use this one. So let us encircle this, and then now we need this one. Let's say this is D. So again you use cos. So cos alpha equal to AD upon R. This implies AD equal to R cos alpha. R cos alpha is 90 minus theta by 2, and this is R sin theta by 2. So AB will be, this implies AB equal to 2R sin theta by 2. Why? Since AD plus DB is equal to, since AD and DB is equal to, therefore AD plus DB, we can write like this: AB equal to AD plus DB. AD and DB are equal, therefore we can write AD here. So AB equal to 2AD. So here AB equal to 2AD. AD is R sin theta by 2. Okay, so 2R sin theta by 2. So now we found everything what we require. Therefore area of minor sector, not sector, segment, area of minor segment, this will be area of minor segment, minor sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so this is equal to area of minor segment is theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 base into 2r sin theta by 2 into r cos theta by 2. Okay, so this 2 will be cancelled out. Theta by 360 pi r square minus r and r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay, so this is the area of the minor segment, and in the question it is given that the area of minor segment is 1/8 of the area of the circle. Okay, so according to question ACTQ, yeah, ATQ, you can write like ATQ according to question. Area of minor segment is equal to the 1/8 times area of circle. It is given area of minor segment cut off by the chord is 1/8 of the area of the circle. यानी कि it means this area is equal to the 1/8 times of area of the circle, and the area of minor segment is this much. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and this is equal to 1/8 pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, So I have used this now, so I am going to erase this so that you may not get confusion. Okay, so if you see in the proof, here we have 8 sin theta cos theta, and this is 45. So, and here we see 8. Okay, and one more thing, r square is everywhere. Okay, so this r square will be cancelled out, so pi will be here, only pi. So we need, see in the proof, we need only pi. So let us divide this by 8, or multiply this by 8. So this will be 8 by 360 into pi theta r square minus 8 r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to pi r square. So how did we get this? So multiplying by 8. So we are multiplying by 8, so we will multiply in both the sides, left hand side as well as in right hand side, and in each and every term. Okay, so now this will be 1 upon 45 minus pi theta, or this is numerator only na, so pi theta r square by 3, not 3, this will be divided by 45 times. Okay, minus 8 r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to pi r square. Now we can take r square outside. So r square, so here will be pi theta by 45 minus 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and pi r square. So r square will be cancelled out. Okay, for this quantity, therefore pi theta by 45 minus 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to pi r square by this r square will divide. So r square will be cancelled out. So now we have pi theta by 45 minus 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to pi. Okay, so let us transfer this term to the right side. So the sign will be opposite, since here it is negative, so after transferring it will be positive. So pi theta by 45 will be equal to 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus pi. Okay, so now write it in the proper way. Write it in the proper way like this. So 8 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus pi, this will be pi theta by 45. Hence proved. This was we have to prove. So remaining three or four questions are there in the exercise, so you can solve them. Okay, if you find any difficulty, please let me ask, don't hesitate. Okay, so now I declare the end of this exercise as well, and the concept segment of a circle. Okay, in the next class we will discuss some new concept, or we will do some more exercise. Okay, so if you are enjoying the class, then please share with your friends so that they may also get benefit. Thanks for watching.